is Dan, and we're back for another video. For this video, we have another install video. We're going to do a dash cam install on a Kia K5 2022 or 2023. The car isn't mine, so we're doing an install video on his car because I want to get one for my X5M, but I had to wait because the front windshield got tinted and it broke too on the while we were doing it. So we're gonna do it on his car now. So this is it. I done a video before. They sent me one for, I believe, my M6, and they sent one for, oh no, it was for the 2 Series. So they sent that for the 2 Series. We did it on the 2 Series. So we're doing it on a Kia. This is a Universal dash cam, so we're gonna get that installed today. Show you what's in the box. All right, guys. So I took a little, not a break, but we're doing something. So this is the dash cam right here. We're gonna open it right now. I don't wanna rip the box, I'm gonna have to. Damn. This is not how you want to open it, but so box right here. You're gonna slide it. You got a plug in here. Go right here. Instructions. So this is a rear dash cam and a front. So I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna open the little big box first. So in this bag is going to be the front dash cam. So it's right here. Showing you guys the front. And right here is the rear dash cam. I have a mess. So yeah, this is the front. We're gonna connect the front right now. Or we're just gonna place it. Where do you want it? Like right there?
Yeah. That looks. It's not bulky.
Yeah, it's not too bulky. Like there, no?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Is that in the middle? Yeah, it doesn't.
I think a little bit more, like a little bit more.
See, I'm gonna take this off.
I like right here.
Okay. I'm gonna place it.
That's it.
Make sure because it has to
wires,
be, yeah.
So it has to be lower, huh?
Should be fine there. That's crooked. We're just making sure that's in the middle right there. That looks like the middle.
Yeah, look right there.
Yeah. Did you put it on already? Yeah, right?
Yeah. super stubborn. Like, not even a suction cup. It's more like a
yeah. So this is power plug and yeah. And then the GPS is optional, but we'll still tuck it in. And then in the other bag we have the rear camera. So this is gonna go connect this. Oh yeah, this is for the rear. So we're gonna connect it to here and then just wire it all the way to the back. Oh. That's gonna be
that's a challenge.
Yeah, so I'm gonna disconnect it here. So this is the back one, you guys see, tiny. Has a little cover, so make sure you guys. That one have a cover?
No.
Oh, okay. So make sure you guys take the rear cover for the back one. And this one's, you could move it, I think. Yeah, you could move it to whichever position you're gonna want it in the back. So.
Oh, so it covers the lens?
No, I took it off. It was just a cover, so it doesn't get scratched. But you can move it like if it's not like there. And please make sure this is not upside down before installing the installing the camera. Alright, so make sure you read this here. So this is for the back. And then they're sending you in here. They're gonna send 128 gigabyte SD card, and that's a good brand one too. So they're sending you this. Put this over here, and then they're sending you a pry tool, so you guys can take in your wire. But I would say have a pry tool yourself, like different ones, because some of the headliners are really stuck in. So that, and then so this one, the way this one's going to be powered to is going to be connected to the OBD scanner. So where you put your scanner in, this is going to be connected where all the power is going to be coming from. So that's going to be under the car, under the dash. So this is a good way for you guys to have it powered all the time. So it says here, if your car is fuel, you'll move it. Electric vehicles, you will move it to here, but this is not an electric vehicle, so we're just gonna keep it in fuel. So we're gonna get started with this. So I think the OP2 scanner thingy, oh yeah, it's right there, so you guys see it. Once again, this is a Kia. What year is it? 22. A Kia K5 2022. So connect it right here. All right, so we're wiring it all through. We open this little strip right here. This is where the side airbag goes, and we're gonna wire it all through the weather strip till it gets down here. We're gonna use this part. It just clips out, so you could just stick it in through here and to the back. So we'll show you guys the process that way. So you're gonna be wiring it through the weather strip, and then if your seats go down, I'll show you right now, maybe you could run it through the back of the seat to just connect it to the back. So we're just wiring this, and then we're gonna do the power one after. It is getting dark out now. So right here, we're wiring it all through here. You guys see it here. Now right here, we're gonna figure out a way to pass it through so it could go in here without having to remove too many panels. So let me see, put the camera here. I need a ring light. So here, I'm thinking, so we wire the whole thing through the weather strip, and it's went in here. This is easy to pop out, as you guys there's a little bit of slack there. I left it there, so we were able to pass it through here, and now it's right back in there. So we had it done like that now, and we're gonna do the power now. All right, so now we're doing the front. I'm still gonna leave all this loose because we're gonna do the power one now. It also has a GPS one, but this is optional, so we're gonna leave that as optional for now. We're just gonna pass the power one through, and I'm thinking of passing it through the bottom and then wiring it to the top here the same way we did here, or actually there's no other way. So yeah, it's gonna have to be like that. Let me figure out how I'm gonna do it and get back to you guys right now on which way I pass it through. I'll just talk. All right, so now it became dark, as you guys see, and this is where the power goes from the OBD scanner, whatever the thing's called. We did it to that side. It was too short, so now we're gonna wire it down through here into here so they could be more slack. But yeah, we're gonna do this and start wiring it through. Okay, so it's gonna go this way, and you can pause right now because now. All right, guys. So we tucked it in from there. I used the little fuse box that there's there to get the wire out, and then put it in through the weather strip all the way through. And then this was popped out already. As you guys see this, I had it popped out. So now you guys can see a little wire right there, but it's all tucked away in there. It's connected right here. And yeah, it got dark already, so you guys couldn't see anything. But yeah, it's connected there, and it goes right there. And now we're gonna connect it to his phone. We're gonna connect it to his phone and go for a little test drive so you guys can see the quality of the thing. But it's pretty much done already, so let's get to that.